The second wealth building strategy that I want us to discuss today is what I call property appreciation. That's your second strategy. Apartment value typically increase due to market demands. Inflation and property improvements also would help increase the market demands of your property. There are two types of appreciation that we will talk about here today. Number one is what we call natural appreciation. Now, what do we call natural appreciation? These are appreciation that are just happening naturally, organically, within the time factor of a particular market. There are just some appreciation that happens over time organically. You don't do anything concerning that property. It's not that you don't do anything, but typically it's just appreciation that are market driven. So they're called natural appreciation. And there are aspects in which you force appreciation. That's the second type of appreciation. And this is through value add strategies like renovating and improving your property in terms of management expenses and also the aesthetic appearance of your property, the curb appeal, also to force rent to go up because you're bringing maybe a low-grade product to a high-grade product by the fact that you've added some upgrades in terms of maybe appliances or maybe in terms of new coatings of paints or some inclusion of amenities within units that would improve or rather allow you to rent at a higher rate to the next person renting, which is what you call forced appreciation. Now, forced appreciation is particularly powerful in multifamily investments. Yes, because increasing net operating income directly boosts the property valuation. Because by the time you increase your net operating income, you find out that you can boost the property value, which is ultimately the appreciation. So choosing the right location and the market trends can significantly impact your appreciation in the long run.